So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you all that how I edit my Instagram pictures. This is my Instagram account and these are some of the pictures that I have posted there, and I'm gonna tell you all that how I edit my pictures so aesthetically. The only thing that you need to edit the pictures is a phone. It could be iPhone or Android. I'm gonna tell you everything in detail, so watch the video till the end. So there's only one app that I use for editing my pictures, and that is Lightroom. You can easily install it from App Store or Play Store, and it is free. Even I don't have the premium version. Alright, so this is the first picture and this is the before, and here is the after. So now let's see how to edit this picture. So first of all, I'm gonna click on this edit icon, and now I'm clicking on light. So first of all, we have exposure, and I'm gonna increase the exposure because I want to brighten up the picture. Now we have contrast, and I'm just decreasing the amount of contrast because it adds such a soft vibe to the picture. So after the contrast we have highlights, and I'm just increasing the highlight a bit. So now moving to the shadows, and for the shadows I'm gonna increase the shadows a bit. And now it's time for the whites, and for the whites I'm just increasing all the whites in the picture a little bit, and here's how you can do it. Now I'm just reducing the blacks in the picture a little bit. So we are done with this section, and now I'm gonna click on the color option next to the light, and first of all I'm gonna increase the temperature. So I'm just a bit confused that should I go for the blue sides or should I add some yellow tint to it. So below the temperature we have tint, and I want to give this picture a pink soft look, so I'm just increasing it. And yes, then we have vibrance, and for the vibrance I always increase the vibrance in my pictures because they pop up all the colors, and I always reduce the saturation. Now you need to swipe up, and here in the corner you will see a mix option. That's a color mix option, and here I'm just adjusting the colors. You can edit any particular color in your picture, like if you want to reduce the reds in your picture you can do that, or for example if you want to make the sky more blue you can just click on the blue color and adjust it according to your choice. So that's how you can do it. You can increase or decrease the amount of hue, saturation or luminance of any color. Once you are done adjusting your colors, then you just simply need to click on done, and we are now moving to the next option, which is effects. So here you can increase the clarity or texture or anything you want. I'm just increasing a little clarity, and that's it. Now we need to move on the details, and for the details I am just shortening the picture a little bit. And yes, here's the picture is done, and now you can directly save it. So you need to click on the right corner on the share option, and here you can save it directly to your device. Now if you want to paste the same settings on another picture, then you need to click on these three dots, and you need to copy the settings, the basically the edit or the effect that you made, and you need to copy this. After copying the settings you just need to go on the other picture and just click on the three dots again, paste the settings, and this will automatically edit the other pictures, and you don't need to edit all the pictures separately. So guys, this is the next picture, and it's not a soft edit, it's basically a little dark aesthetic, and let's see how to do it. So I'm just reducing the exposure because I want to give it a dark look. After that I'm just reducing the contrast, and now we are going to move to highlights. So now I'm just reducing the highlights to define all the colors, and then we are going to move to shadows, and for the shadows I'm just increasing them a bit. And then after that we have blacks and whites, and for the whites I'm just reducing the whites a little bit. can adjust any of these settings according to your picture, according to your own choice. I'm just guiding you that how you can use Lightroom, or to show you that basically how I edit my pictures. And for the blacks, I am reducing the blacks because this is like a picture taken in the night time. And yes, here's how you can do it. And next, you need to move on the colors, and then the same thing that I already told you before. I'm not like adjusting the temperature here, I'm just increasing the tint a bit, after that increasing the vibrance. And then for the saturation, I'm just gonna reduce the saturation a little bit. So after the saturation is done, I'm gonna move to effects, and I'm gonna increase the clarity, because increasing the clarity defines every detail of your picture. And after that, I am just adding some greens to it, because for my night pictures and dark pictures, I like to add greens to them a little bit. And then now we are moving to the details, and I'm just sharpening the picture so that when I post it, the quality does not get ruined. So yes, that's it. And now I'm gonna move to the color mix. I'm just adjusting the reds in my picture. I want to make it like a pop-up bright color. So yes, you can literally adjust all the settings according to your choice. You can edit any picture. I'm just guiding you that how you can edit your pictures. So I shared the tutorial of two of the pictures, and I hope that you guys understand and learned how to edit your pictures. And for the rest of the pictures, I'm just writing the settings, and you guys can do exactly the same on your pictures.